Okay, can I bring Christian up, please? Okay, so we're talking about fidgets. So you might be asking yourself currently, why are we talking about fidgets? What's exactly the purpose of these fidgets, Christian?
Fidget toys are self-regulation tools that can help increase attention and focus. They can also have a calming effect on children with anxiety and boost active listening. Fidget toys come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures and be different tools such as fidget spinners, fidget cubes, tangles, stress balls, spinner rings, and etc.
All right. So we're gonna hang out. We're gonna hand out a couple fidgets to you guys, and you can mess with them. So, yeah.
Feels really excited.
Get your fidgets.
Fidgets, guys.
Oh, don't cook for that.
So this is a fidget. You can
Okay, solve that.
spin it around, twist it, solve it. This is the basic idea. This is called a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Not sponsored. Yes. Anybody else want a fidget?